When I found out my car needed work, I wasn't nervous at all because I knew I had CarShield, and knowing that I had that protection meant that I knew I wasn't going to have any unaffordable car repairs. The best part about knowing that CarShield has my back is I will never miss a beat, I will never be without a vehicle, and I'll never be stuck with car repairs that I can't afford. I like to use my car to just live my daily life, fulfill my responsibilities, and once in a while when I have some extra time, I like take the long way around just to see the sights and be in the car because I really enjoy it. If someone were to be on the fence about getting CarShield, I would tell them to remember the last time their car broke down, remember the last time they had to wait for a repair to get done, remember the last time they had to pay a big repair bill, and consider the cost of a new car payment. CarShield is a way better deal. I wasn't paid to be here. I wanted to come and talk about my CarShield experience because I think it's a really great value and I'd recommend it to anybody.